Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So on the pound yen, I'm still looking at this as a possible wave B, as in potentially eventually it's going to go down and take out these previous lows for a wave C. Now, there's no signs of it being over yet. It could keep on pushing up to the 90. Wave Bs can even take out the previous high. I mean, it could go up to the 105. It could even go beyond that and still be a wave B. The only thing right now that's going to prove to me that this pattern is complete is a break of structure to the downside, which is right here. Even if it does go down on sort of time phase, it could just be another pullback within an uptrend until we get that significant break of structure to the downside. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, if you get a break of structure down on this time frame, as in like if you get like a double top and a break of structure, first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement on there. Then I would observe the market to see if it just ends up making another pullback to the uptrend or whether it makes a complete trend reversal. Like I said, the only thing that's going to prove that the wave B is over on the higher time phase is a break of this low right here. Yes, that is a long ways down, but if you get a break of structure to the downside on the 1 hour, you can start looking for shorts while you hopefully learn and earn whether it does this very impulsive down or whether it does this very corrective down, which would lead to another push to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.